Welcome to the Murphy cabinet bed. The first thing you want to do is pull that drawer all the way out of your way, and then release the latches on both sides. Next, you need to pull out the extension. Deborah's going to point out the label that says, pull this extension out all the way. So pull the extension out all the way, and if you see both felt pads, you've got it right. Now fold the cabinet face down onto the extension, lift the slat assembly over onto the little feet, and fold the mattress down and into place. Roll the drawer into the garage, and it's a bed. Pretty quick, right? Okay, let's put this Murphy cabinet back together. Fold out the mattress, put it into its space. Pull the drawer out a few inches. You'll have clearance when you lift up the slat assembly. And lift the cabinet face up, like that, and close the cabinet. Latch it up, push in the extension, latch the other side, roll the drawer back into its place, and like magic, it's a cabinet again. The Murphy cabinet also features a charging station. Plug in your cord, plug the USB cable into the USB port, and your charging station is live.